speaking.
Hello, Karen. This is Phil. If I pull out all the nails on this back deck and drive them in proper screws, will you guys reimburse me for the cost of the screws themselves?
No, absolutely not.
Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I am still Phil Shinbine. So this week, we are pulling teeth. No, we're pulling nails. We're using these Japanese nail pullers. They are super handy. The reason why these are brilliant rather than using just a regular claw hammer is in this end. This is kind of a claw hammer in its own little way, right? It's got a little hammer head, it's got the back endy bit, but you've also got this end, right, which works like a regular wrecking bar. You can get in there and smash, 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 and get it started, and then get in there with this and really reef it out. Here's a little video we did on my back deck explaining this.
Here we are on my own back deck. This is behind my own actual house. And at some point in presumably the Jurassic period, someone decided to put these decking boards back here in with nails. So I'm going to use this handy and indeed dandy nail puller to pull them all up and, you know, replace them all. The nail puller also has a hammerhead on the backside to drive it back. In if need be.
These come in 3 different sizes, 160, 260, and 360 millimeters in length. And they come in 2 different styles, which is fantastic. There are some more interior use ones, like this little incredibly adorable one. The difference with this, obviously, other than the size of it, is that this end has like they call it a whale tail bit at the end. That's just like a good leveragey pry bar for getting things apart and open and whatnot. This style comes in a bigger one as well, a 250. So there you have it, the Japanese nail pullers. If, like our trusty cameraman, producer slash, you know, best friend camera guy, you are rubbish at smashing in a nail, these are the tool for you. You'll find links to this and everything you need to know to get woodworking in the links down below in the doobly-doo or at our website www.timpacon.com.au. If this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I am Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you. Ooh, water. Aguaji bebe.